Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Firstly, we will start our English work.
Now take out your English reading books. Students, we are going to start Unit 1, Alphabet A to Z. Look at the page. Our first letter is A. A says A. A, apple. A, apple. And next letter is B. B sound is B. B sound is B. B, ball. B, ball. Next letter is C. C says K. C, cat. C, cat. Next letter is D. D says D. D says D. D, dolphin. D, dolphin. Next letter is E. E says E. E says E. E, elephant. E, elephant. Next letter is F. F says F says fish. F, fish. Next letter is G. G says G. G, grapes. G, grapes. Next letter is H. H says H. H says H. H, horse. H, horse. Next letter is I. I says E. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. Next letter is J. J, jug. J, jug. Next letter is K. K says K. K says K. K, kite. K, kite. Next letter is L. L, lamp. L, lamp. Next letter is M. M says M. M says M. M, mango. M, mango. Next letter is N. Next letter is N. N says N. N, nest. N, nest. Next letter is O. Next letter is O. O says O, orange. O, orange. Next letter is P. P says P. P says P. P, parrot. P, parrot. Next letter is Q. Next letter is Q. Q, quill. Q, quill. Next letter is R. R says R. R says R. R, rose. R, rose. Next letter is S. S says sun. S, sun. S, sun. Next letter is T. T says T. T says T. T, tree. T, tree. Next letter is U. U says A. U says A. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Next, V. V says V. V says V. V, van. V, van. Next letter is W. W says war. W says war. W, window. W, window. Next letter is X. X says X. X says X. X-ray. X-ray. Next letter is Y. Y says year. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Next letter is Z. Z says Z. Z, zip. Z, zip. Page number 2, Unit 2, alphabet A to P. Okay, look at the page. Which letter? A. A says A. A says A. A apple. A almonds. A arrow. A eggs. A ant. A apricots. Now look at the lower part. Which fruit has one seed? Tell me students, which fruit has one seed? Apple or apricots? Look at the picture of apple and apricot. Apple have two seeds and apricot has one seed. So, which fruit has one seed? Apricot. Tick the picture of apricot and practice writing A. Join the dots one by one. Write capital A and small a also. Now we are going to start page number 4. Write A to C. Today I will tell you how to write A. Hold your pencils. Put it on first line. First you make a downward slanting line till third line. Then make one more downward slanting line on right side till third line. Then make a slipping line in the middle line. A. What comes after A? B. Make a straight standing line in first three lines like this. Then make a small half circle in first two lines. Then we will make one more small half circle in last second and third line. What comes after B? C. Make a half circle in first three lines like this. C. What comes after C? D. First we make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then close it by half circle like this. D. What comes after D? E. Make a straight standing line in first three line. Then make a slipping line in first line, second line, and one more slipping line in third line like this. What comes after E? F. First you make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make two slipping lines in first two lines like this. F. What comes after F? G. First you make a C. Then make a upward straight standing line till second line. Then make downward straight standing line till third line. G. What comes after G? H. Make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make one more straight standing line in first three lines like this. Then make a slipping line in the middle line. What comes after H? I. Make a straight standing line. I. What comes after I? J. Straight standing line, then curve it like this. J. What comes after J? K. First you make a straight standing line in first three lines like this. Then make upward slanting line till first line. Then make one more slanting line downward till third line. K. What comes after K? L. Make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make a slipping line in third line like this. L. What comes after L? M. Make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make a downward slanting line till third line. Then make one more slanting line upward. Then make a straight standing line till third line. M. What comes after M? N. First you make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make downward slanting line till third line. Then make upward straight standing line till first line. N. What comes after N? O. Make a circle like this in first three lines. What comes after O? P. First you make a straight standing line then close it by half circle in first two lines like this. P. What comes after P? Q. Make a circle in first three lines, then make a small slanting line like this. What comes after Q? R. Stay standing line in first three lines, then make a half circle in first two lines like this, then make downward slanting line till third line. R. What comes after R? S. First you make a half circle in first two line like C, then make one more half curve circle like this in left side. What comes after S? T. First you make a straight standing line in first three lines, then make a sleeping line in first line. What comes after T? U. Straight standing line in first line, then curve it and make upward straight standing line till first line. What comes after U? V. First you make a downward, hold your pencil and put it on first line, then make a downward slanting line till third line, then make a upward slanting line till first line. V. What comes after V? W. First you make a downward slanting line till third line, then make upward slanting line till first line, again downward slanting line till third line, then make upward slanting line till first line. U, V, W. What comes after W? X. Slanting line till third line on left side, then we will make one more downward slanting line in right side by cutting the middle of first line like this. X. What comes after X? Y. First you make a downward slanting line till third line, then make upward slanting line in first two lines like this till first line like this. Y. What comes after Y? Z. Sleeping line. First you make a sleeping line in first line, then make a downward slanting line till third line like this, then make one more sleeping line like this. Which letter? Z. Y, Z.
Okay students, now we are going to start our maths work. Open your notebooks.
We write on our notebook 11 to 20 counting. Okay, 11 to 20 counting. Firstly write today date and today we will write 11 to 20 counting. 1 11. What comes after 1 11? 1 2 12. Next 1 3 sleeping line, slanty line, half circle. 1 3 13. What comes after 1 3 13? 1 4 14. Straight line, sleeping line, then make a straight standing line by cutting the middle of sleeping line. Next we will write 1 5 15. Sleeping line, straight line, and make a half circle. You can say also half curve. Okay, next we will write 1 6 16. 1 7 sleeping line and slanty line. 1 7 17. What comes after 1 7 17? 1 8 18. Make a small circle, then make one more small circle. Okay, next 1 9 straight line, then make a half circle in left side. 1 9 19. What comes after 1 9 19? 2 0 20. Okay students, when you finish your work, then what will you say? Alhamdulillah. Okay students, when you finish your work, then what will you say? Alhamdulillah.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं अपना उर्दू का काम। दिन 4 किताब सफ़ा नंबर 10-12 नोटबुक वर्क अलिफ तज़ाल। ओके बच्चों, अपना उर्दू का कायदा खोलें। किताब किताब सफ़ा नंबर 10 से सा समर से सा साबित। अच्छा बच्चों, मुझे बताएं, क्या फल खाने से हम सेहतमंद रहते हैं? जी हाँ, फल खाने से हम सेहतमंद रहते हैं। अगला सफ़ा नंबर 11 जीम जा जग, जीम जा जूता, जीम जा जुराब। अच्छा बच्चों, मुझे बताएं, पानी किस में भरते हैं? जीम जा जग में या जीम जा जूते में? जीम जा जग में। अगला सफ़ा नंबर 12 चे के अंदर 3 नुक्ते, चे चा चिड़िया, चे चा चूज़ा, चे चा चांद। रात के वक्त आसमान में क्या नज़र आता है? चांद या सूरज? चे चा चांद। ओके बच्चों, अपनी नोटबुक्स खोलें। आज हम करेंगे अलिफ तज़ाल हरूफ तहज्जी। सबसे पहले डेट एंड डे मेंशन करें। अलिफ तज़ाल हरूफ तहज्जी। स्टार्ट राइटिंग। अलिफ अंगूर, अलिफ के ऊपर छोटी सी मद्दा, अलिफ मद्दा आम। आगे हम लिखेंगे बे के नीचे 1 नुक्ता, बकरी। आगे हम लिखेंगे पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते, पत्ता। आगे हम लिखेंगे ते के ऊपर 2 नुक्ते, तितली। आगे हम लिखेंगे टे के ऊपर छोटी सी तोय, टोपी। आगे हम लिखेंगे से के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते, समर। आगे हम लिखेंगे जीम के अंदर 1 नुक्ता, जीम जा जूता। आगे लिखेंगे चे के अंदर 3 नुक्ते, चे चा चिड़िया। आगे हम लिखेंगे हे के अंदर कोई नुक्ता नहीं, हे हलवा। आगे हम लिखेंगे खे के ऊपर 1 नुक्ता, खरगोश। आगे हम लिखेंगे दाल के ऊपर कोई नुक्ता नहीं, दाल दरख्त। आगे हम लिखेंगे डाल के ऊपर छोटी सी तोय, डब्बा। आगे हम लिखेंगे जाल के ऊपर 1 नुक्ता, ज़र्रे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ अगला सफ़ा देखिए। अब अपना रंग भरें। कि ये दरख्त में आप रंग भरेंगे। दरख्त में कौन सा कलर होता है? ब्राउन कलर। इसके तने में कौन सा रंग भरेंगे? ब्राउन कलर। फर्स्टली मेक डार्क आउटलाइन। सबसे पहले डार्क आउटलाइन बनाएं उसकी। नाउ फिल लाइट कलर। ओके, फिल कलर विद लाइट हैड। आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इसमें रंग भरें। ब्राउन कलर, अब ग्रीन कलर लें। मेक डार्क आउटलाइन। सबसे पहले ग्रीन कलर से डार्क आउटलाइन बनाएं। पूरे ट्री की डार्कली आउटलाइन बनाएं। उसके बाद इसमें रंग भरें। हल्के हाथ से, लाइट हैंड से कलर फिल करें। कंप्लीट योर कलर्स। ओके, मेक dark outline and fill light colors. दाल दा दरख्त। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा काम ख़त्म होता है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।